Look at that. The little engine that could, huh? We made it. We're going out in the salt, guys. It's a calm ocean today. 16-foot boat. We're gonna do it.
16-foot swells.
16-foot swell. It's gonna be fine. Ocean Coho, baby. It's gonna be a rodeo. We got 12 gallons of gas in the boat. We're ready to go. Motors are working good. Hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned. It's gonna be a good day. You look excited, huh? You excited? Been trolling 5 minutes and got 2 takedowns, guys. We're seeing jellyfish everywhere. That's a little annoying, but we're in 190 feet of water, 51 degrees, and there's a couple fish. Hopefully there's a couple more. Mark the waypoint right there. No. Niles is on one. Still there? Okay.
Right here.
Okay.
Here.
Okay. Alright, get up here. Up this way. Yep. Alright, bring it that way. No, on my line, not my line. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Check it. Slick back.
Move back.
Yep.
Yep.
Look at that. Hold it up, maybe. One in the box. Look at that, Niles. Huh?
Done.
Got one so far, huh?
Nice little salty guy.
1 for 4? Finally one to go. They like that smiley, don't they?
Oh yeah, about 18.
There you go. You just film a little bit? Might be a nice one.
Yep, we got Alex with one on here.
Oh yeah. Get the net. You're alright. Go ahead and get the net. Ready? Weird spots. Check it. Ah, damn. Oh, that's hatchery, dude. Look at the size of that hatch. That's a good one.
One in the boat, baby.
I can't believe that's a slick back. Look at that.
Beautiful.
2 in the box. Beautiful hatchery coho. I'm gonna go ahead and let Niles take care of this. Get back fishing. 2 more to go. Look at all the sea lice on that. Good job, buddy. You still there?
Little guy. Probably just letting this one go.
Okay. It's a hatch, are you sure? There he goes. Okay. Let a little one go, huh?
Yep.
Sometimes it's what you gotta do.
Yeah, let him grow.
Let them grow, find the big boys.
We got a few hours.
He's gone? Gone? That was a big one.
Oh no, he's right here.
Oh my.
It's a wild.
Oh, is it a wild? Alright, let's just... What do you do with my pliers? It's like a little native fish. Yep, little native fish. There he goes. We are 4 for 9, everybody. Pretty good day so far. That was a native fish and a small one to boot, so no one's complaining. It's been a pretty good morning so far out here, and then a little engine that good. That pink smiley blade's doing real good today. You know what I mean? There's a lot of coho out here, man. Oh. Ooh, he's heavy. Might be a nice one. Oh yeah. Alright, get the net. Stay on, buddy. Get below me. That's my limit right there, guys. We got to get analysis limit. We release some fish. It's been a good day so far. But it's a nice little keeper there. I'll take it. It's a good day out in the salt, huh?
Yep.
I got one big one in the back too. That thing's almost 10 pounds.
Oh, I know. You got the good one of the day so far.
But we started seeing a couple natives, so we decided to keep this one. It's been somewhat of a grind. We're 5 for 10.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, guys. On your side of the boat. It has been a while since we had a bite. We are now at 152 feet of water. We did a lot of exploring. We got a little bit of time left. We released our limit because it was a small hatchery coho, and we actually caught another little hatchery coho we released. So we had our limit, but Niles likes to let fish go, this and that, you know. But we're in the hunt for one more fish, and then we'll be done. Today is, we only hooked like 17 fish, so today is not really the hottest day in the market, you know. But some days you gotta work for it, that's the way it goes. Stay tuned, guys. Subscribe, like, and share. What do you gotta say?
You know, you win some, you lose some. Today was a battle of wits. And I was dumb enough to let a hatchery fish go.
Today's still a win, dude.
It is.
Where else you can see 17 takedowns?
Not here. Or mainly here.
Yeah. We were heading back in. Woo! Super nice out here. It's like a lake. We could probably stay out and get our hatchery fish, but we're just gonna go in early, get some food. I'll see you guys at the dock. All right, guys, we had a good day out there in the ocean. We're on a super bumpy road right now. Terrible timing.
Hold on, folks.
Hold on, folks. But first time in a 16-footer out in the salt, and we had our limit. But Niles is a nice guy here. He felt a couple of those little hatchery coho needed to grow a little bit, right?
Yeah. Yes, indeed.
And so there they are. They're swimming around growing. For the next guy. I'm just kidding. No, yeah, we had a limit, but we got plenty of fish in our freezers. We released a couple smaller fish, and we ended up with 3 hatchery coho. So
yeah, good day.
It was a good day that we hooked 18 or 20 of them, and we're driving home right now. Anything you guys say about the day now?
Great day. First time out in the salt for coho. Got my probably earliest coho I ever caught. Never caught a coho in July before, so that was definitely fun.
There you go.
But yeah, looking forward to cooking one up, throwing it on the new smoker at home, and seeing what they taste like. Guarantee it's gonna be good food for sure, though.
Hell yeah! And it was his birthday recently, so he's got that new smoker that he just mentioned.
Yeah, we got an Oklahoma Joe's smoker. Can't wait to do some ribeyes, everything like that, and start getting these fall fish coming in and cooking them up. So.
Oh yeah. Yep, nothing like some good old ocean nookie, especially fresh ones out in the ocean, buoy 10. We got all that stuff coming up, guys. So
a lot of fishing coming up.
Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time, guys. Hit that subscribe button, share the video out.
Give it one of these too. Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. See you guys.